the journey of transformation, a guided experience. Take a deep breath and allow yourself to settle into this moment. Now, imagine for a moment your old self, not as a separate person standing in front of you, but as a familiar presence within you. It is the cycle of repetitive thoughts that play like an endless loop in your mind. It is the emotional patterns you cannot seem to break. It is the weight of past hurts you still carry, even when you try to move on. This old identity is not just in your head, it's in your body. It lives in your posture, in the way you react, in the habits you repeat without even thinking. And as long as you carry this old self, your outer world remains exactly the same, because reality simply mirrors the identity you embody. Pause for a moment. Can you feel the presence of your old self? Not to judge it, but to acknowledge it, to see clearly the programs that have kept you bound to the familiar. Chapter 2: The Hidden Science of Identity. Science reveals why this is so powerful. Dr. Joe Dispenza teaches that your personality creates your personal reality. Your thoughts, your feelings, your behaviors, they combine to form your identity. And your identity shapes the world you experience. Dr. Bruce Lipton's groundbreaking research shows us that over 90% of our daily thoughts and behaviors come from the subconscious mind. That means for most of your day, you are not consciously choosing. You are running a program. Your body has memorized the emotions of the past so deeply that it craves them, just like a chemical addiction. Stress, worry, doubt, guilt. These feelings may be uncomfortable, but they are familiar. And the body loves the familiar, even if it hurts you. This is why change feels so difficult. When you try to think differently or act differently, the body resists. It whispers, "This isn't safe. This isn't who we are." And so you slip back into old patterns, living the same reality again and again. But here lies the key. Quantum physics shows us that reality itself responds to the state of the observer. The quantum field is a sea of infinite possibilities waiting to take shape. But it does not respond to what you want. It responds to who you are being. Your body broadcasts an electromagnetic signature through the heart and brain. This signature is like a signal, constantly communicating with the field. If you continue to carry the energy of your old self, old thoughts, old emotions, old programs, then the field can only mirror back experiences that match it. This is why affirmations alone don't always work. You can repeat, "I am abundant, I am free," but if your body still feels poured and trapped, the signal you send into the field is one of lack. Reality can only echo back that frequency. Chapter 4: From Wanting to Being. The true path of transformation is not about forcing outcomes or endlessly wishing. It is about shifting your identity, becoming the kind of person who naturally lives in the reality you desire. Instead of asking, "When will I have this?" ask, "Who must I become to live in this reality now?" Wanting keeps the desire at a distance. Being draws it close because the quantum field matches who you are in this moment. When you embody gratitude before the thing arrives, your energy says, "It is already mine." When you embody confidence before the opportunity comes, your energy says, "I am already worthy." This is the shift from wanting to being. Chapter 5: The Ceremony of Release. Now, let us go deeper. Close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, and release. Bring to mind the old self, the one that has kept you repeating the same story. See it clearly. Give it a name if you wish. Notice the feelings it carries. Now, imagine gently removing this identity, as though it were an old, heavy cloak draped across your shoulders. With every breath out, feel yourself setting this old self down onto the ground in front of you. See it clearly. Acknowledge it for what it has been. It was once necessary for survival, but it is no longer who you choose to be. Breathe again. Feel the weight lift. Feel the space opening up inside you. Chapter 6. Stepping into the new self. Now, with your next breath, step forward into your new identity. This version of you already exists in the quantum field. It is real right now. See yourself embodying it. Stand taller. Allow your shoulders to relax. Let your heart open. Breathe with the rhythm of confidence. Speak in the tone of someone who already belongs in this new reality. And whisper to yourself, I no longer create from my past. I am creating from my future. Feel those words vibrate through your entire body. This is not just a thought, this is a frequency. This is the language the universe understands. Chapter 7. Daily Integration. Transformation is not a one-time event. It is a practice. The old self may rise again tomorrow or even in the next hour. That is normal. But each time you notice it, you now have a choice. Instead of falling back into the old program, you can pause, breathe, and return to the energy of your new self. Each time you do this, you are rewiring your brain, retraining your body, and teaching the field who you really are. Day by day, moment by moment, the old identity loses power. The new identity becomes your natural state. Chapter 8. Living in a new timeline. As you continue this practice, something extraordinary begins to happen. Life itself shifts. Synchronicities appear, those magical coincidences that guide you forward. New people arrive who match your energy. Unexpected opportunities open almost effortlessly. It is not that you are chasing these things, they are finding you, because you are living as the version of you who naturally attracts them. The quantum field rearranges itself to match the frequency you now hold. You are not waiting for your new life, you are already living it. Chapter 9. Closing Invitation. So here you stand at the edge of transformation. The old self has served its purpose, but its time is over. The new self has already awakened within you. With every thought you choose, with every emotion you cultivate, with every action you take, you are stepping deeper into alignment with your true self. This is how timelines shift. This is how new realities are born. This is how you become the creator of your life. Now breathe deeply and say within yourself, I am ready. I am free. I am whole. I am the new me.